Привет, друзья! С вами Энтони. Сейчас мы переживаем время, когда погода меняется. И, скорее всего, если вы заговорите с кем-то на английском языке, вы будете говорить о погоде. Американцы и британцы любят говорить о погоде. Поэтому вам важно выучить словарный запас и фразы, которые можно использовать, чтобы говорить о погоде. В сегодняшнем видео мы рассмотрим несколько фотографий, и я расскажу о погоде на этих фотографиях. И в результате вы сможете уверенно говорить о погоде в вашем городе. То есть я покажу вам фотографию, и я буду рассказать, что я вижу, говорить о погоде в этом фотографии. Вы готовы? Okay. Let's begin. The first photo. Here I see it's a sunny day. It's a very sunny day. It's sunny. The sky is clear. I see clear sky, no clouds at all. The sky is clear, sunny. Maybe it's spring. You can see a woman right here. I think the woman is happy to be in spring because maybe in winter it was cloudy and cold, and now the temperature changed and the weather is different. It's sunny, clear sky, and probably spring. The next photo we're going to look at is probably the complete opposite. Now we see that the weather is not good. It's overcast. Overcast is when the sky is completely covered in clouds. So it's overcast and it's also foggy. You can see that it's foggy. It's foggy. I could barely see. I can barely see the mountains. It looks like there's a lot of moisture in the air. So it's overcast. It's foggy. Probably humid, but it's probably cold as well. So this could be something in the winter you see in San Francisco, for example. So the next photo looks like it's somewhere in Florida, and we can see that it's windy. It's windy. It's blowing from the west, from the east to the west. The wind is blowing, and you can see that the wind is blowing by looking at the leaves of the trees, these palm trees. The wind is blowing, so it's windy, and it looks like it's early in the morning or in the evening. So yeah, it's a windy day. So in this photo, we see a thunderstorm. A thunderstorm usually happens in unstable air, low pressure, for example. And it especially happens when there's low pressure and high moisture. So this is probably in the summer. This is probably in the summer at night. So we see lightning as well. Lightning here, everywhere there's lightning, and this is a thunderstorm. Okay, also not good weather. Next photo is it is snowing. So we see snow. We see that the road is covered in snow. This is obviously winter. And it could be somewhere in North America, maybe in Canada, in the United States or Canada. And we see that our friend here is frozen. So he's frozen. When the temperature drops, liquid turns into ice. So we see that our friend here is frozen because the temperature is too low. The next photo is of the sky. It is not clear. Sky's not clear, but it's scattered clouds. So some clouds, but not a lot. Scattered clouds. Scattered means that a little bit here, a little bit there, a little bit over there, but not everything. So just a little bit of clouds, scattered clouds. The next photo is a photo of hail. Hail is when it's cold in the air and the liquid, when it rains, it turns into ice before it hits the ground. And as a result, ice falls to the ground when it rains. The next photo is a photo everybody sees in the summer in the southeast of the United States. It's a photo of a hurricane. We had a hurricane not so long ago in Florida, here in the United States, and it almost always happens in the Caribbean, in the southeast of the United States, because there's a lot of moisture and air coming from the north to the south, south to the north, and the air meets and it creates that spiral. So this is a hurricane. The next photo is a photo of a desert, and it looks like it's in the summer and the temperature is really high. It's very hot because it says right here 100 degrees Fahrenheit or 40 degrees Celsius. We also see that ice cream is melted. The ice cream is melted, and our friend SpongeBob is dehydrated. He wants to drink water. Yeah. And the last photo is a photo of somewhere, maybe a tropical country, maybe South America. And we see that it is foggy and humid. And I could already feel how sticky my skin is just by looking at this photo. So yeah, this is humid. This is a wet, moist, humid day. Okay, now that you know some words to describe weather, windy, humid, etc., I have a short test for you here. It's called quiz. Weather. Let's see if you remember these words. So how do we say lightning? Oh, I gave you the answer. Yeah, it's lightning. Ah. Okay. So what is this? What is this? Is this a hurricane? Not really. No, it's not a hurricane. Is it sunny? No, not sunny. Is it snowing? No, it's not snowing. It's a thunderstorm. Yeah, we don't see lightning, but we can tell that this is a thunderstorm. Okay. The next photo, what can we tell about this photo? We know that it is spring. Yeah, it could be spring, but this photo shows that these palm trees are moving because of the wind. Yeah, it's windy. What about this? Yeah, so it's not humid. Humid is важно. It's not melted because melted is расплавление, like it's warm. Yeah, warm. Okay, солнечный in English. Yeah, you're right. It's sunny. Sunny. Yeah, scattered clouds, but sunny. Okay, now in this photo we see that it is snowing. No, I'm just joking. It's raining. Yeah, it's raining. Okay. And in this photo we see that it's melted. No, nothing's melted in this photo. There's a flood. There is no flood. It's snowing. Yeah. Okay, наводнение. I didn't give you this word in when I was talking about the weather. I didn't show you how to say наводнение in English. So it's called flood. Flood is when there's too much rain and the streets are flooded. They're covered in water. Yeah. Наводнение. Flood. The next photo is влажный. Влажный in English is, yeah, it's not tornado. It's not melted either. It's humid. Yeah, humid. чистое небо. So we know небо is sky. We know чисто is clean or clear. So yeah, clear sky. Clear sky. Пасмурно. Remember in the beginning of the video we saw a photo of, it was, yeah, the water. It was foggy and very, very cloudy. Yeah, it's overcast. Overcast. So how do we say this? Do you remember? If you said hell, you are correct. Yeah, hell. Summer. I think this is pretty easy for you. Summer. What about zima? Yeah, correct. Winter. Winter. Okay, how do we say осень in English? Is it flood or is it clear sky? No, it's actually autumn. Autumn. Весна in English is spring. Correct, spring. Okay, remember we saw a photo of a desert and there was someone holding ice cream. Yeah, the ice cream was melted. Melted. And in the other photo we saw our friend Squidward. He was frozen. He was frozen. Yeah. This, I didn't teach you the word, but it's the same in Russian and English. It's tornado. Tornado. The last question, what is this? If you said hurricane, you are correct. It is hurricane. And that's everything, guys. На сегодня все, ребята. В комментариях расскажите о погоде в вашем городе сейчас, чтобы практиковать эти слова. Если вам понравилось это видео, пожалуйста, поставьте лайк. And I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.